With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that basically the relationship between the efficiency neta of a heat engine and the coefficient of performance, which is alpha, in a refrigerator is. Okay. So firstly, we'll write down the formula for efficiency. Okay. Efficiency. Okay. Efficiency is given by 1 minus T2 by T1. Okay. So efficiency is what? Efficiency is basically defined as neta. So let's write properly. Efficiency neta, okay, is given as this. So neta will be equal to what? Okay. So if we now finally define it, neta will be equal to 1 minus T1 minus T2 divided by T1. Okay. And basically the coefficient of this, which is alpha, coefficient of performance, which is alpha, is given by what? This is given by the formula that is T2 minus T1 by T2. Okay. Basically not this, basically it's given by T2 by T1 minus T2. Okay. This is the coefficient of performance. Okay. So how can we get this formula in this? Okay. So we'll start our sum. So what we'll do now, we'll divide neta. Okay. Dividing by dividing and multiplying by T1 minus T2, or you can say dividing denominator, and what we'll do is that we'll divide denominator as well as numerator with a same quantity, that is T1 minus T2. Okay. So T1 minus T2 divided by T1 minus T2. Okay. This is the numerator. Okay. Whole divided by T1 by T1 minus T2. Okay. So this is basically the thing that it will come. I just divided it by T1 minus T2. Okay. So what we'll get over here, just to get the answer, I am doing this. Okay. So that we must see what is happening. So we will get what? Up we will get 1 divided by T1 by T1 minus T2. Okay. Now in the denominator, we can add and subtract 1. Okay. That means what? We will add 1 and subtract 1. Okay. T1 plus T1 minus T2 plus T1 by T1 minus T2. Okay. So what we'll get? We will get neta will be equal to 1 by, now what we'll do, since you can see over here, this formula basically doesn't exist over here. How we can bring? By just bringing T2 on the top. That means what? If we subtract T1 from here, we will get the answer. Okay. That means what? What we'll do is 1. Now we will subtract minus 1 from this whole quantity. So what we'll get? T1. Okay. Plus T1 minus, so minus T1 plus T2 divided by T1 minus T2. Okay. So I need nothing over here. I just subtracted this, means minus 1, and this quantity I just evaluated it. Okay. And left the plus 1 like that only. So what we'll get over here? Neta will be equal to 1 by 1 plus T2 by T1 minus T2. Doesn't it look familiar? It's just this equation. Okay. So you can see we got our alpha. Okay. So now what we'll write? We can see over here neta will be equal to 1 by 1 plus alpha. Okay. This is also given in our books, but I derived the formula so that you can understand more clearly. Neta is equal to 1 plus alpha. 1 by 1 plus alpha. So our answer will be option number B. Got it? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.